In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The presentation and analysis of the final draft of the National Public Health Strategy chaired by Maulvi Jalali. The launch of various Islamic programs by the Minister of Hajj and Endowments across the country. And telephone conversation between the foreign ministers of Iran and Oman. Welcome to the news package. It's Monday, the 6th of Ramadan Mubarak 1447, the 1st of Hud 1404, and 23rd of February 2026. The news details. The Minister of Public Health announced that the final draft of the National Public Health Strategy was presented and elaborated during a session chaired by Maulvi Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, with the participation of deputy ministers and technical officials. According to the ministry, the meeting provided detailed explanations of the strategy's objectives, goals, and strategic interventions. Participants also shared their recommendations to further enrich and strengthen the document. The operational and implementation plan is expected to be finalized in the near future. The Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments stated that in the commemoration of the holy month of Ramadan, 3,400 distinguished reciters of the Holy Quran have been appointed across 22 districts of Kabul and all 34 provinces of the country to lead compilation of the Holy Quran during Tarawih prayers. The ministry added that the reciters were selected through a formal examination process. It further noted that Quran translation and interpretation courses have been launched in 411 military centers, which are being broadcast live via national radio and television. The news continuation. Sheikh Saniullah Farahman, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Ankara, met with Ahmad Davutoglu, the leader of the Future Party of Turkey. The Afghan embassy in Turkey stated that discussions focus on strengthening political, economic, and cultural relations between the two countries. And ultimately, the foreign ministers of Iran and Oman held consultations regarding the next round of Tehran-Washington negotiations. Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, the foreign minister of Iran, and Badr bin Hamad al-Busaidi, his Omani counterpart, discussed the latest developments concerning talks between Iran and the United States during a telephone conversation. Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs stated that both sides also exchanged views on preparations for the upcoming round of nuclear negotiations. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Please keep us in your prayers in the sacred month of Ramadan Kareem. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.